So it has continued to snow. Hi, Jake. It's continued to snow. We're at least at 1.5 feet, we think. And we did successfully shovel, and I mean shovel out. But while we were shoveling the driveway, the plows came by multiple times, and they created quite a... Oh, hey Jake, can I borrow you for a second? We'll see how deep this is. This is very deep, you can't really tell. Here are our mailboxes. Jake, can you stand in? I want to see how deep that is. Can you show how deep that is? Can you step in it? Okay. All right, come back out if you can. All right, come on back out. So what Daddy's gonna do is he's gonna take his truck, instead of shoveling that big mound right there, he's gonna take his truck, there it is, and he is going to plow right through. What do you think of that, Jake?
How can he plow?
Can the truck do it? Can he get through it? It's gonna just run right over that big mound of snow. What do you think? No big deal for the Dodge Ram, huh? All right, hopefully we'll get that on video.
What?
I said hopefully we'll get that on video.